Hey guys, it's Designs by Francie, and I'm here to show you how to join yarn at a half double crochet. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. So this is Jumbo 7 chenille yarn. We're using a pea needle, and as you can see, I'm going along as if I'm going to do, a regular crochet. And basically we're going to yarn over, and you see that that's the tail end. We're going to go, that's the tail end right there. There we go. We're going to yarn over. We're going to go under, there we go, the entire stitch. Oh, get it together, girl. We're going to yarn over. We're going to go under the entire stitch, okay? But instead of pulling that through as if you're doing a half double crochet, we're going to get the new yarn and we're going to join that in. So I just go ahead and kind of wrap it around my finger like so. And we're going to pull that through the first loop. There we go. And then we're just going to continue on and pull that through the last 3 loops to complete our half double crochet. Very seamless, very demure, very mindful. But let's go ahead and do that again. So I'm going to undo those stitches. There we go. We're going to undo those stitches, or that stitch, and we're going to go ahead and do it again. All right, here we go. All right, once more again, we're going to do, got my tail end. We're at the tail end, so we're ready to join. We're going to yarn over the needle. Okay, we're going to go under the entire stitch, okay? But here, we're going to take our new yarn. And you can switch colors this way seamlessly as well, but I want this project to be this entire gray color, so we're using gray yarn. We're going to attach that yarn there, okay? We're going to pull it through. Excuse that extra string hanging out there, sorry guys. We're going to pull that through the first loop, that stitch we're under, and then we're going to take the new yarn and pull it through as if we're just going on. I'm sorry, we're going off the page here. Once again, excuse the reflection in the background. I will be using an opaque surface next time. All right, so a non-reflective surface rather. Now we're just gonna go ahead, continue doing another half double crochet, and look how seamless that is. Thanks guys, like and subscribe.